Everyone, look where we're at right now. This is Grand Theft Auto 4. Look where we're at. Look where we're at, players. The good old Clockendale. I'm going to do is what I sexy did. I'm going to rob this place. Yeah. Just act like nothing real quick. I just want a hamburger. Oh, doing your job, huh? Yeah, you're doing great. You're doing great. There, what? Oh, punch you. Okay. I ain't getting in any trouble. I didn't rob you before. Let's buy a sandwich real quick. And then we're gonna rob this place. Rob. Oh, yeah, this is good. Alright, let's go. Oh, hell no. That's the FX. Yeah, I'm in the back of the kitchen. Yeah. Rob you fools. Yeah. Escape me. You okay? We only want to listen. Good. Stay there. You get the money out of the register.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, make sure you pull the money out of the register. Oh, yeah.
Alright, time to go. Oh, yeah, I got a problem with you. You want to go? Let's go. Yeah! Good old jiu-jitsu. Oh. Okay, we got the cops on it. Yeah, what's that code? I'm gonna do what I came here. I'm gonna rob a Chinese food place. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go over here and grab a brick. Because that's what you do. Grab a brick here, Izzy. Alright, pick this up. Oh, I'm playing this on my PS3, so gotta do this. Oh, you wanna go, bitch? Alright. L2. Yeah. What the? Oh. How the? Whoa. Damn it. Try to do this again. Not that window. Okay. Dick. I'm picking that brick up. Where the hell's my freaking brick go? Where's my brick? What the hell? Oh, there's my brick. Yeah. I'll smash this window. Alright. Damn it. Damien, attack! Damien, attack! Oh my god, this is so boring. Oh, I'm just gonna junk the car. Screw this. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna smash my car here. Yeah! What the hell? Alright.
Oh, shit.
Let's do this. Yeah! Bastard. Hard! Screw it. Oh man, my rug's jacked. Whatever. I got $659. Let's go. Alright, screw this.
How come you don't play anything education?
Because I'm not an educational kind of person.
There's no place in education in your mind?
Yeah, pretty much. Sorry guys, it's just my grandma talking. She doesn't know I'm making a YouTube video.
Yeah, grandma doesn't know anything.
Shut up. Quiet, you. Okay. Ew! Ew! Alright, now I learned how to do that. La do this. La do this. Not that one. This one down. Yeah! Not from a freaking side. What the hell? Oh, bitch! Screw it. Give me the friend! Yeah! Let's throw it at her. Not there. Alright, no. Right here. Whatever. Yo, you wanna go? Do this. Oh, do not say that to me. You know how I am. You know me? You know me? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, he got a knife. He got a knife. Try to knife me, Pasta? Dick. What the hell? Alright, I'm out of here. Nope, I'm not out of here. I'm getting in this car, and I'm gonna... Alright, get over here. Come here. Pussy. Look at them running away. Not gonna happen. I'm actually the guy with the knife. Come here. There. Give me that money. Oh yeah, I got a knife. Haha. This is what I've been waiting for. I haven't found one of these in a long time. Alright, now I got myself my own knife. Let's get over here. It's a rainy day in Liberty City. Knife. I'll knock you. That was easy. What, no money? Screw you. I want to watch some Picarian bodies. Oh, hell no! Oh, screw it. Yeah. Yeah, all I had to do was punch it. Do I have my... Where's my...